Hey there, HVAC and appliance repair business owners. Are you ready to take your online presence to the next level? Well, you're in for a treat because we've got some valuable insights to share with you today. Welcome to the Appliance Experts YouTube channel. We've just published an incredible blog post that's tailor-made for your HVAC and appliance repair services industry. So, let's dive right in. Adding a new business listing to Cylex for HVAC and appliance repair services. First up, we're talking about how to add a brand new business listing to Cylex specifically for HVAC and appliance repair services. This step-by-step guide will help you get your business on the map, quite literally. Stay tuned to learn how to maximize your visibility and connect with potential customers. Claiming an existing Cylex business listing for HVAC and appliance repair services. Next, we're delving into the art of claiming an existing Cylex business listing for HVAC and appliance repair services. You might be surprised at what's already out there waiting for you. We'll show you how to take control of your online presence and ensure that your listing reflects your business accurately. Optimize your Cylex business listing. Now, for the magic ingredient, optimization. Discover how to optimize your Cylex business listing to stand out in the crowd. From accurate information to compelling descriptions, we've got the tips and tricks to help you shine online. Conclusion. But wait, there's more. In our conclusion, we'll wrap it all up and give you a glimpse of what's at stake if you miss out on these strategies. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Learn more from other posts related to business listings. And don't forget to explore our other posts related to business listings. We've got a treasure trove of knowledge waiting for you, all designed to help your HVAC and appliance repair business thrive online. Ready to supercharge your HVAC and appliance repair business's online presence and generate more leads for profitability? Look no further than our local SEO experts. Now, for the grand finale. If you're ready to take action and supercharge your online presence, our local SEO experts are here to help. They've got the expertise and know-how to make your business shine. Just click the link in the description to read the full article and unlock the secrets to success. That's a wrap for today's video. Thanks for joining us, and remember to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you found this valuable. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and until next time, keep those HVAC and appliance repair businesses thriving. See you soon.